Well, hey guys, just got in my new Browning Recon Force Elite HP4. I picked this up from Trail Cam Pro. Now, the reason I bought this from Trail Cam Pro is because this camera comes with a 1-year warranty. If you buy it from Trail Cam Pro, they give you a 2-year warranty. And they also throw in a 32 gig memory card. Now, the reason I picked this camera, other than I just like Browning game cameras, is Trail Cam Pro actually rates this as their top camera, along with its sister camera, the Special Ops. Now, this is the Recon Force. This is the low glow, or what they call, it's got a red, faint infrared that you can barely see. I personally don't really think it scares wildlife, or in my opinion, I really ain't scared anything off. But if you're wanting it for security, go ahead and get the Special Ops. It's the no glow. I usually go ahead and get the low glow because I feel like it gives me a little more night vision, a little more range. But hey, either camera is going to be good, so whichever works best for you, that's good. Now, this camera on Trail Cam Pro was $189. When I signed up for an account, they gave me a $10 coupon, so it actually cost me $179. I ordered it. 2 days it was at my house. Now, this takes will take a 22 megapixel picture. It will take a 1080p or full HD video. It's got a 2-inch color viewing screen. And something that I like on this, if you know, I take a lot of videos. I don't take a lot of pictures. So, you get a raccoon out there in front of your camera and he stays there for an hour. He can go through a memory card, a 32 gig memory card, in a few days. So, hey, this will hold up to a 512 gig memory card, which, heck, a lot of laptops don't even have that much memory in them. But, hey, let's open this thing up right quick and take a look at it. Well, looks like in the box, there's the camera, there's the strap, and right here, you get an owner's manual. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time programming this. I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube how to program a Browning game camera. I've programmed them for years. They're easy, but hey, if you got trouble, just type it in. There'll be one there. But hey, you open it up right here on the side button right here, you push. There's where your tray for your batteries go. It takes 8 AA batteries. Here's your on and off switch. Here's your 2-inch viewing screen. Right here is where you program it. Your memory card goes right here in the bottom. It's got a slot right here if you want to use a solar powered adapter or external power source, and it's also got what they call I call a tripod mount. It's made for them external tree mounts that you can screw into the tree and just screw your camera right on. You don't have to mess with the strap. But hey, I'm not going to bore you with a lot of technical stuff. Let's just put it on the tree, and hey, we'll decide for ourselves if this is the best camera Trail Cam Pro sells. So hey, we'll be back shortly. Well, I thought I'd come back and do a little pros and cons. Did you notice that I set it up in my backyard and got a little footage of the critters that come? If you watch my channel on a regular basis, you know I do a series called My Patio is a Jungle, where I put cat food out and I just see what comes to eat it. I'm going to put an end screen there at the end if you want to check that out. Now first, let me tell you, I didn't test the battery, so I don't have any idea from personal knowledge how long they last. Trail Cam Pro says if you take 35 daytime and 35 nighttime pictures every 24 hours, they'll last about a little over 34 months. If you got it on video mode, if you take 15 nighttime and 15 daytime 10-second videos every 24 hours, it'll last about 3.5 months. Now, I've got to where I've been using these solar panels just to save life on batteries. You buy them one time, then you don't have to worry about batteries. And the one I've been using lately is called a Wing Home. Hey, if you want to check that out, I'm going to put a link right up there at the top, and you can check out my solar panel that I use. Now, feel free to leave any comments if you've got any dealings with batteries. If you've tested this out and Trail Cam Pro's wrong, please leave a comment down there. Let us all know. So what else? I don't know if I mentioned this, but a lot of cameras just come with a little old plastic back on them. This is actually metal. It's got a place for a Python cable, and of course you got your what I call a tripod mount, and you just screw it on. I can screw it on a tripod, or you can screw it on these external mounts, you know, that you get and screw it into the tree. Then you don't even have to use a strap. But I'm going to just be honest with you. I think Trail Cam Pro's right. It's going to be very hard to beat this. The nighttime videos were crystal clear. Now, I filmed everything in the highest resolution. The 1080p at 60 feet per second, and also did the pictures in the highest resolution. I believe it's 22 megapixels, so everything's in the highest. But hey, the pictures were crystal clear. The videos were crystal clear, daytime and nighttime. Only time I would get anything that was blurry is if they were just moving extremely fast. I might get a little blur, but other than that, everything's crystal clear. But hey, I highly recommend this Browning Elite Recon Force HP4. This may be my new go-to camera. Hey, if you've had any dealings with it, I'd like to hear from it, and all my viewers would too, so please leave a comment. Hey, if this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy hunting.